Hey guys, it's Jessica, and I'm going to show you a look at the Look Inside books. So I have Look Inside Space, Look Inside How Computers Work, Look Inside the Jungle, and Look Inside Your Body. So I'll give you a sneak peek of each one. Look Inside Your Body is my favorite one, and this is why. It has multiple flaps inside of flaps inside of flaps. So this is pretty cool. And they're filled with tons of good information. Talks about where your food goes when you swallow it. A little fridge you can open. And then there's flaps inside of here. And flaps inside of here. Talks about your intestines and how they work. Sometimes when you eat something, your stomach pushes it out again and you vomit. This happens if you're ill or if the food is poisonous. You might feel a little sleepy after a big meal. But yeah, I just like the multiple flaps inside of flaps. I think that's pretty cool. And then you got the little foot here that you can, sorry, it's hard to do one-handed, you can move. This talks about hearing. Now you can hear those little clicks. And then I have Look Inside How Computers Work. So this one is pretty cool. And it has a big keyboard here, flaps on the outside, and then you fold it down and it's got multiple flaps on the inside and tell which each piece of the computer does. Talks about tablets, smartphones, different components, how they're used, what they're made of. Just breaking it down so that kids can understand it. And then this is Look Inside the Jungle. Multiple flaps, little cutouts in the flaps. I definitely recommend that the adult opens all the flaps before the kids do, because it's easier for them to open and that way they don't get torn. And then there's pages that fold out, and then you got flaps underneath those pages. And this one's cool because it's like on both pages combined. And like I said, Look Inside is great because they have multiple flaps inside of flaps. And the last one I have is Look Inside Space. This is pretty cool. Tons of different information. Here we got flaps inside of flaps. This page is cool because it folds out on both sides and makes a big picture. So this is Look Inside Space. So that is the Look Inside series, and let me show you in the magazine here. Here's all the different look insides: airport, castle, food, how computers work, jungle, our world, space, trains, and look inside your body. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.